Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we will have a crack at veganizing ricotta cheese. I hope you're excited, so let's get started. We are not gonna need anything super special to make the vegan ricotta cheese happen. The main thing is tofu, firm or medium firm, and a few other things you can see on the screen. Let's start by pouring about a tablespoon olive oil into a blender cup. Now take about 400 grams of tofu and crumble it in. Now add lemon juice from a half a lemon. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper, and half a teaspoon sugar. 1.5 tablespoon nutritional yeast. Chuck in 1 clove of garlic and finish it with 50 grams cashews. Close the cup and get your blender ready. We will blend it until smooth, which might take a few minutes, depending on the blender you're using. When you are done blending, well, you're done. So, scoop your freshly made vegan ricotta cheese into a bowl and pour a little bit of olive oil over it. Add a generous pinch of dried basil. And you can also garnish it with a few slices of olives. The only thing that's missing is crackers. Go get some and go ahead, dig in and enjoy. This was a quick and simple tip on how to make ricotta cheese vegan. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with everyone. And as always, don't forget, you can veganize anything. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.